California, Harry.
I take time when I'm prowling. Wag my tracks out with my tail. A lot of people wonder why I do it, but I'm gonna tell you. I take time whilst I'm prowling. Wag my tracks out with my tail.
Did it usually take this long?
You complaining about getting to stand around? All we have to do is wait for the other guys to boost the train car. You don't have to lift a goddamn finger.
I expected robbing trains to be more exciting.
Brother, excitement is overrated. Souls are like getting shot at.
Requesting a supply run to Barclay Mills.
Coming at you. Hang tight.
You spot anything you can use?
Show me what you got.
Use? It in good health. I'm heading out.
Tell me everything about Santini's smuggling racket.
Mr. Santini's been doing some small-time gun sales. I know he's been stashing the money.
Can't have you talking.
Hemorrhoidal suppositories. They bring quick, cooling relief. The patented Harms formula speeds cooling comfort to where it's needed most. Reduces the swelling, soothes the burning, makes life once again worth living. Harms Hemorrhoidal suppositories for quick, effective, cooling relief.
Negro playwright Leroy Jones was arrested in Newark, New Jersey after an argument with a police officer in a local bank. He was taken into custody and charged with using offensive language and resisting arrest.
Look.
Careful, dickweed.
Holy shit, you really been to work on Santini's business. Hey, God damn, you make an impression, boy. Didn't mean no offense by that. Listen, It's not setting well with Santini that people think they don't have to pay for protection. And it sounds like no one trusts him to deliver on gun deals like usual.
Imagine that's got him pretty pissed off.
Got him, Enzo, and Marcano looking weak. Going over to the train yard. Santini's there now trying to figure out what the hell he's gonna do.
Been fun, Connie. Keep it tucked up out there.
If you don't get to Santini, Marcano will. Might as well. You stopped a lot of money from changing hands by breaking up Santini's little gun sale. Always got the impression old man Enzo was the decent type. Amazed he's lasted as long as he has.
Mr. Santini got here not too long ago. He pissed?
Is he pissed? Goddamn right. Christ, do you know how much money he makes off of those trains? Took a baseball bat to Little Eddie. Fuck. Little Eddie's head split like a goddamn watermelon. We fucked this up. He's coming after us next. So let me know if you see something.
What?
Consider it done.
Huh? You just think you could hide. Huh? Where'd he get off to?
Requesting supplies in Barclay Mills.
Going at you. Hang tight.
God damn it! He got another one!
Holy shit! Let's try over here now.
There he goes. There, get him.
Got him! Get over here! Who's got shells? Grenade! Cut this down! In my sock!
Yellow bastard.
Shit. Check the other side. Huh?
Where'd he get off to?
Holy fuck! This guy's dead!
Huh?
He's dead. Crashed.
What? Someone took this boy out!
Take him outside! Fucking dropping us! Need a reload? I ain't going out like that.
Oh, shit! Shit, I'm hit! No way to go!
Can't be happening. This ain't right.
Grab some cover!
Can't be happening. The fuck? Get him!
Like fucking flies!
You know, I really thought I could make this work.
Guess you were wrong.
Send whoever you can to Barclay Mills. I ain't letting this place go.
Thanks. My guys are on their way.
Eventually, I got a witness to come forward with information that implicated someone other than Sammy Robinson. A woman who lived near Robinson's place saw Sal Marcano and his son Georgie leaving the bar the night of the killings. I tried to bring Sal in for questioning, but all my efforts were blocked by a Judge Holden, who we now know was on the take.
I want to unload some cash in Barclay.
Sure thing, Cher. Heading your way now. Your money's always safer with me, Cher.
You're not what I expect. This was a mistake. I don't want any trouble.
Someone told me you work at the dump, that you might have information for me. Now, your name's Maria, right?
Mm-hmm. Maria Bother. I've only been at the dump a couple of months. Accounts receivable. I know. Glamorous. Paul Simmons runs the place. Everybody calls him Puppy, though. You've got to stop him.
Stop him from doing what?
Dumping waste in the bay, extorting drivers from other garbage companies, but that's...
That's not the worst thing they're doing, is it?
Mister, they're killing people. Puppy... Mr. Simmons doesn't know how to keep his boys down on the phone, but he was arguing with one of the cleaners, kept saying how they'd been paid to get rid of somebody.
You know when these cleaners will be around?
No, but some of the other guys who work for the dump might.
I'll chase down information on these cleaners, along with the rest of the dump's business. It's gonna be all right, Maria. You did the right thing.
Some of Mr. Simmons' people might know more about the illegal dumping. And I keep hearing Mr. Simmons works for someone else. An older guy. Enzo something.
Huh?
We need to get this done today, ladies. Come on, how about stepping it up?
Huh?
Put some back into it. We don't got all day.
Campfire hiding ahead of them.
Stop slacking. Come on. You don't... One who does.
What was...
Huh?
This boy's in heaven now.
Pick up the pace, for Christ's sake. We're paying you by the hour.
I'll find him, but maybe you can find him.
slacking. Come on. You don't want to put the effort in. I'll find someone who does.
Maybe you can find him. Fuck this guy. I'm untouchable. Sneaky son of a bitch. Did everybody ditch me?
I want to unload some cash in Barclay.
Be there soon.
Keep this safe.
Bonsoir, cher.
Get the hell out of here, boy! Half the ways he's sick and fuck. Wonder if somebody should warn him. Nah. Let's see how that all plays out.
This one ain't breathing. Oh!
What was that?
Oh!
You know.
I want to know what you assholes are doing at the dump.
After what you did, those twisted motherfuckers are hunting your ass down. Ain't no way you can shake them.
Go with God, motherfucker.
I don't need to be seeing no strange.
I'm that whooping everybody in the world. They're trying to find out why. Well, you know they can't see me day and night, but they hear me when I howl. Howl, wolf. I said howl. Mr. Hyman. I take time when I'm proud. A lot of people wonder why I do it, but I'm gonna tell you. I take time while I'm proud. Wearing my tracks out with my chick.
Heard any good jokes?
I'm that wolf dig a hole. Stick my nose down in the ground.
I just got it! Over here!
You hear that?
Huh? What happened to this?
Sunday, 180 mile an hour top fuel dragsters, top fuel funny cars, factory very groovy styles for men and women. Really? I also got this mock turtleneck dickie for Jimmy that was on.
Holton's department store has more of what you're looking for.
Who knew Holton's had it so together?
Holton's department store.
Nice drive. Those new... a pretty penny.
Not a dime. I got him with my Big Break coupon.
Big break.
That's because of Big Break's patented activated charcoal filter. All the pleasure comes through, but none of the harshness. And see right here? A coupon comes with every pack.
How many coupons for the golf clubs?
Only 1,000. Oh.
I want to unload some cash in Barclay.
Hold your horses. I'll get to
How are
you.
you getting on?
We're gonna take off your hands.
Better not lose this.
Going straight to the bank.
Oh, shit!
You've really done a number on the dump. Scared the hell out of Mr. Simmons let me go today.
You sound happy about it.
Apparently they're having trouble with the business and he can't afford to pay me. But truth be told, I'm glad to be out of there, away from that place.
Is Puppy at the dump now?
Yeah, why? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna kill him?
All depends on Puppy. I'll be seeing you, Maria.
I'm still not sure what Mr. Simmons got. Those men you killed, the ones getting rid of the bodies, they were bad people, right?